一年一度嘅 Christmas 又嚟啦，好辛苦。Hi everyone, welcome to J Talk. This is Jay, the host of this channel.
Hey everyone, I'm Jax. Welcome back to J Talk Daily.
唉，一年一度嘅 Christmas 又嚟啦，好辛苦。
Christmas is great.
Christmas is great only for the people who attend the party.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but
Me.
Yeah, okay. 但係咧，對於要搞 Christmas party 嘅人嚟講，即係我啦。It could be something stressful for the organizer.
No
Yeah.
way. Come on. Christmas spirits, festive spirits.
Festive only for the participant, but not for the organizer. 今日咧，我哋會講一講咧5樣喺 office 搞 Christmas party 嘅時候一定要做嘅嘢。Okay, so let's talk about 5 things that we need to do when we are the organizer of the Christmas party.
Or when you are the organizer.
第一樣嘢我會諗到咧就係嘢食啦，大家都諗住食嘢啦，咁鬼凍嘅天氣，最好嘅方法咧就係嗌到會啦，平靚正。Okay, so you know, we need to call 到會。How to say 到會
Food?
Yeah, ordering some food.
I guess you mean book a catering service.
Yes.
So someone will come and bring the food over and they may serve it.
Exactly.
Okay.
呢樣嘢就最好啦，快靚正，我唔使煩。Book a catering service 就係嗌到會嘅意思啦。事前咧，除咗嗌到會之外咧，我就諗到都要裝飾下嗰個 office 啦。
You need the atmosphere, the environment is important, right?
Yeah, it's very important.
How else am I going to not work?
Yes. And then for me, I need to arrange a Christmas tree, some decorations. Yeah, coming up. Please give me some more ideas. What can I buy and what can I decorate?
Okay, so when you're putting up a Christmas tree, at least there's like a few things you must do, right? You have to put up tinsels, which go around the Christmas tree.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, the fairy lights.
Okay.
And then the decorations, right? And then of course, right at the top, it's got to have a star.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, let me prepare for it.
Yeah. And also, are you going to put a mistletoe in the office?
Mistletoe, what is it?
Yeah, it's just something hanging there, you know, and mistletoe. It's very specific. I'll put a picture there.
Okay.
And then people will kiss under the mistletoe.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, so
I think my colleague is going to love it.
Yes, it's time to put a mistletoe.
Mistletoe. 第二樣嘢咧，準備完之後咧，就要諗下有冇一啲嘅破冰遊戲啦，ice breaking game, you know, in order to lighten the mood.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know, and 同埋咧要建立一個更加和諧嘅工作環境俾大家同事啦。
Yeah, you have to like you have to have some games to start a party.
Yes.
Yeah, put everyone in the mood. So
Yeah.
what games are you planning?
我哋最中意玩咧就係呢個大電視，即係有俾一個字你啦。You would put a word here,
Okay.
and then you work as a team.
Okay.
通常2至3個人一組啦。另外一個人咧就會做一啲動作 ，and then you need to do some action. But you need to work in silence. Okay, you cannot talk.
Oh yeah. So is the charades.
Charade.
Charades. Okay. So in charades, as you mentioned, a team or a group member is given a scenario or a word, and they have to act it out.
Exactly.
And then no words are given.
Yeah.
And then your teammates have to guess what it is.
Yeah, exactly. 最中意玩呢樣嘢，大電視
It's fun.
Charade. 跟住大電視之後咧，就會係交換禮物啦。Okay, so we would do some exchanging the gift.
Oh, how are we going to do it this year?
I'm not sure. Maybe just draw a number and then
So a lucky draw?
could be lucky draw.
Okay. I'm not a big fan of lucky draw. I prefer Secret Santa.
Secret Santa.
Do you know what's Secret Santa?
I don't know. I only played Secret Angel before.
I think it's pretty much the same thing, but just a Christmas version. So basically in Christmas, basically in Secret Santa, a organizer, someone has to organize, okay? You will, for example, if there's 6 of us, you have each other's names, and then you will give out the name to another person. And then they will then see who they're getting the gift for.
Oh, okay.
So the gift will be better than lucky draw because you're just gonna get some random generic stuff. If it's a Secret Santa, you can really target your present for that person.
就 tailor-made something for him or her。即係好似我哋玩嘅 Secret Angel 一樣，不過就係聖誕版，我哋就叫做 Secret Santa。Secret Santa 啦。
I mean, there are also many ways. Like you could even just play some games and have it as a competition, and the winner gets to choose a present first.
Okay.
Or we've done lucky draw using cards, but someone may have a joker, and you can steal other people's gifts as people are choosing a gift.
Okay, I think
or
it's fun,
forcing a gift onto someone else.
Okay.
That's
That
better
would
than
be fun,
stealing.
and then I think they would love this way of exchanging presents instead of drawing only the numbers.
Yeah, so there are many ways.
Okay, thank you so much, Jax. 去到最後一樣我要諗嘅嘢咧，就係當然啦，去到公司咧都高層咧都會想感受一下咧，我哋員工咧喜氣洋洋嘅節日氣氛嘅。咁聖誕節當然要唱聖誕歌啦。Okay, so any songs or anything that you would recommend us to do?
Definitely. It's Christmas, so you have to sing the Christmas carols, okay?
Christmas carol.
Yeah, so there are some old school hymns, okay? There are some like jazz versions, or just the more modern ones, like or one for Christmas is you to subscribe to J Talk.
Yes. Good way to promote.
Yes, okay, here you go.
好，我哋今日咧總結一下我哋5個舉辦 Christmas Party 之前一定要做嘅嘢。第一個就係叫到會，叫到會我哋英文可以叫做
To book a catering service, or simply order takeout or delivery.
亦都咧同時咧我哋要裝飾個 office 喎，裝飾嘅英文我哋叫做
to decorate the office using like or like putting up the Christmas trees, putting up the fairy lights.
玩遊戲啦，跟住去到有一個最中意玩嘅遊戲就係大電視，英文咧有一個差唔多嘅講法，我哋叫做
Charades. It's a great game. I love that game.
Yes, I also love this game. 跟住咧玩完遊戲之後咧，當然就要交換禮物啦。交換禮物嘅時候，除咗唔好咁悶，就咁抽個數字，我哋亦都有另外一啲方法嘅。嗰種方法英文我哋叫做
Secret Santa is much better than Lucky Draw. Most of the time you end up getting better gifts.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
最後啦，當然我哋要拍片表達一下我哋喜氣洋洋嘅節日氣氛啦。呢個時候我哋會唱聖誕歌，唱聖誕歌英文我哋會叫做
to sing the Christmas carols.
So I think that's the end of today.
We better get organizing. Or
Yes,
we need to decorate as well.
Yeah, I need someone to help. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, please comment, like, share, and also subscribe to our channel.
Yes. And if there's any words you would like to learn how to say in English, please feel free to DM us or leave us a comment.
最後唔好唔記得撳埋 J Talk 側邊嘅鐘仔，咁我哋有新片嘅時候，大家就可以立即搶先睇啦。
Yeah. Just a quick self-promotion. If you're into gaming, please check out my L2LT Gaming podcast. We just rounded up 2022 and gave some games our Game of the Year awards.
Yeah. 當然要 follow 埋我嘅 IG，咁我哋就可以學一學日常生活嘅英文啦。
And remember to check out our new series,
Yes.
J Talk Word Challenge, out every Monday.
係啦，挑戰下每一個英文字正確嘅讀音應該係點啊？今日講到呢度先，下個星期相同時間再見，拜拜。
See you after Christmas. Will some
亦都同時咧要裝飾聖誕。Yeah, I need someone to help, Jay. Jax, are you going to help me?
I will help you put that on the antics.
If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe.
Yep.